Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I am going to show you here about to tell you how you can start to use digital wallet. This is about to be very important to help you about to understand how we can start to use this situation. If you are looking for this video, this is about to be very important to be done in each situation to be going to be very well on this level. So what we are going to have how we can start to activate a cash card on the autograph. So we are going right now to know this is about with a saving account on the situation that we can start to help you guys on this level or on this site that is really very important to be done on this situation. So you choose your Wells Fargo debit or credit card, or when you check out into the out of the store, in the app online, uniquely your confirmation, your identity, fingerprint, or when you use the digital wallet, ATM accessible to tap your mobile device on the contactless mobile at was the first ATM. And that is all to understand how you do it.